Have you ever wondered how to grow orchids at home? These beautiful exotic plants can truly thrive in your living room, given the right care. They're not as tricky as you might think. Stay tuned to learn some practical and easy tips to grow orchids at home. Firstly, you need to choose the right orchid for your home. Orchids come in numerous types, each with unique needs. For beginners, a Phalaenopsis or moth orchid is a great choice. They adapt well to most indoor environments. Remember, the right choice of orchid can set you up for success. Secondly, maintaining the right light and temperature conditions is crucial. Orchids flourish in bright, indirect light. The sweet spot for temperature lies between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust your home environment to meet these conditions, and your orchid will thrive. Thirdly, watering and fertilizing are key aspects of orchid care. Orchids thrive with a light touch. A sprinkle of water once a week and a dose of balanced orchid fertilizer once a month usually does the trick. Remember not to overwater or over-fertilize, as this can harm your orchid. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Choosing the right orchid is crucial, and it's all about understanding your home environment and matching an orchid species that'll thrive in it. Providing the proper light and temperature is key. Remember, these beauties love indirect light and temperate conditions. Lastly, watering and fertilizing habits. Less is often more. Overwatering is a common mistake, and a balanced fertilizer does wonders. With these tips, you are now ready to grow beautiful orchids right in your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.